This video will show you one simple little trick that you can use to make money all of the time in the market. This trick will work whether you buy our software or not, but our program makes it a lot easier. And if you do buy our software, we guarantee that you will love it. If you're unsatisfied for any reason at all, just tell us and we'll give you your money back.
Yada, yada, yada. Just show me how to make money with this thing.
Okay, I will show you how to log in the morning and find the stocks that are most likely to make a quick move up in just a few days. But I'm going to warn you, when I first show you this, you will think I am completely nuts. Here's where the trick comes from. October 2004. Two university professors published a study in the most respected academic publication in the financial world. It's a peer-reviewed journal. The only way to get in is to prove your theory with rock-solid data. The study's 32 pages long. I'm not going to bore you with the academic details. If you want to read it, here's a link. This is the main takeaway from the study. Profits to a momentum strategy based on the nearness to the 52-week high are superior. The trick is simple. Buy when a stock is within 3% of a brand new 52-week high. And I emphasize the brand new.
What? I thought I was supposed to buy low and sell high.
Just watch what I'm about to show you. It'll blow your mind. Now, this only works when the stock is near a brand new high. The previous high needs to be at least 1 month old.
That's crazy. Why would that signal work?
If it's near the high, this can only mean the company has been announcing nothing but good news. It's on a great momentum trend. And let's go back to something they said in that study. You asked why this signal would work. Here's why. Virtually every newspaper that publishes stock prices also identifies those that hit new 52-week highs and lows. This is the one signal everyone can and will see, no matter what they're using to get market information. The Wall Street Journal has 2.4 million readers. Financial Times has 2.2 million. Investors Business Daily, 850,000. The list goes on and on. They are all showing this signal. When all of the people see this at exactly the same time, a certain percent of them will buy, and this can move the price up. This move may only last a few days, but that is where you make the profit.
Okay, so I know how to do this. I just open any newspaper and buy any stock that hit a new 52-week high. That's easy.
Sort of. But it has to be a brand new 52-week high. And you're much better off buying it before it shows up in the papers.
The newspapers don't show me that. And why does it have to be brand new?
Okay, so you have every source of financial data giving out lists of what stocks just hit a new high. You have millions of readers looking at this list. When they see something new, if they like the story, they buy. But when they see the same stock with the same story hitting new highs over and over again on the list, it loses the effect.
Oh, I get it. I need to see what's about to get added onto the list, so I'm getting before everybody else sees it. Can I use your software to find what stocks are about to hit a fresh new high?
Yes, we show you what is right near a fresh new high. Our software puts it on the list before all the others do.
How do I use your software to find the stocks making those signals today?
Easy. Just open the application and click this button. If you want the penny stocks that are making the signal, click right here.
Okay, so I know how to find them. What is the probability of this signal working?
Very high. Let's see this in action on some 5-year charts. Here's a 5-year chart on Apple. In this case, the signal worked 100% of the time. You can see that there were only 6 times in the last 5 years Apple made this signal.
Wow, I lost on Apple. If I followed that signal, I would have made money on every single trade.
In the case of Apple, you would have. But it doesn't always work 100% of the time. Take a look at Coca-Cola. There were 14 signals, 12 winning trades, but 2 were bad. That's 85% accuracy.
But these are all big stocks. I like to buy penny stocks.
Not a problem. Let's see it on a little $2 stock. Here's a chart on Alcatel. The stock only made the signal 3 times in the last 5 years, but every time it did, it was a huge winning trade. Sirius Satellite Radio made the signal 12 times. In this case, it was 83% accuracy. Here's my challenge to you. Pick any stock that interests you, whether it's a big one or a little penny stock. Take a look at a 5-year chart on it and find this signal. You will see that this simple little trick works better than anything else.
Sounds great. Is there anything else I should know?
Yes. When everyone sees that the company just hit a new high, they will be even more likely to buy if the company is growing fast, has a strong financial position, is beating earnings estimates, and the analysts have a high price target on the stock. You need to look up all of these things. Do your research on the company, and only buy the best quality stocks that are doing this.
You want me to do research? Ain't nobody got time for that.
We do it all for you. We even sort them by the strongest companies, so the best will always be shown right on the top of the list. All you need to do is click on a symbol and take a quick look at this page. The more things that are in green right here, the better the company. This is how fast the company is growing. This number right here is the average price target from all of the Wall Street analysts. This graph shows you if they have been beating earnings expectations. You can see it all with one click. If you want more details, this button will give you a complete research report. So here's a quick recap.
Log in before the open. One click here for today's new list.
Click on this button if you want the penny stock list.
Buy only the strongest companies on the list.
This trick only works on quick trades. Once the stock moves, the signal's gone and anything can happen.
Remember, you are buying near the high. Just get in, make your money, and get out. In most cases, it should only be a few days.
So now you know how to make quick trades with this signal and how to use Hotstocked Precision to find the new signals each day. One last thing. Use the feedback form to contact us. We love to hear that our users are making money. Tell us about your profits. Ask us a question, or tell us anything at all. We want to hear from you. And now, go make some money.